He's the craziest cockerel I've ever seen, and he's just strutting around Peter Leo. Come on, then you. Yes! Oh, he's fucking coming in! What the? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the? I've never seen anything like it in my life. Oh God. Oh, what the fuck?